Hello friends, I'd like to welcome you to my channel, Crafting with Pat. Today is Vlogmas number 10, and it was supposed to be a coloring page today, but I am in the middle of making a replacement piece for my puzzle. And yeah, I thought maybe you guys might want to see that more. So when it comes to replacement parts for your puzzle, you can actually order parts. Yeah, you can. There's companies that you take a picture and they will make a piece for you. And then there's some long drawn out procedure where you take a picture, you have to get it to the right size so the piece will fit, and you do all the cutting and stuff. Well, I don't do all that. So, friends, let's take a look at how far I've come along. Before we do that, we need to kind of figure out where the missing piece is. Right here. It's right here. It doesn't have any of the trees, so it just has sky there. So all I have to do is really match the color. And yeah, even if I get a little close, I think it'll do. So let's take a look at what I've got done so far. Friends, that's our piece right there. You'll see I've got plastic wrap. I got a piece of paper. This is going to come out. Tearing up the pieces that were already there. And this is the piece that we replaced. I just filled this with Mod Podge. I put the wax paper, not the wax paper. I put the plastic wrap and paper under. Then I put a piece of paper down, kind of stuck it down in there. And then I just fill it with Mod Podge and let it dry. So what we have to do now is try to match the color. Since I'm not very good at painting, it's going to be interesting. This kit doesn't come with pink. So we got to make our own little pink. Actually, that's probably too much right there. Got a little violet here. Whoa. Yeah, can you control the paint that's in the bottle? This could be very scary. Boom, 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 boom. I think I need a little pinker than that. Pinker. Mm. I almost thought it was this little piece over here. There we go. Done. I like all this red right here. There you go. Well, friends, that is all I have for today. I want to thank you for stopping by my channel today. And yeah, I'm feeling better. It's just my throat. Yeah, my voice is still kind of messed up. Yeah, we got it done here today. So friends, once again, thank you for stopping by. Happy holidays. And bye-bye for now. Bye. Bye. And happy crafting.